Hello crypto geeks and welcome to another video. Today we have an exciting video for you trying to answer a question that so many of us cryptocurrency and XRP holders ask ourselves. When do I sell my XRP or my cryptocurrency? There is a very important question and one that many have not answered yet. But before we start, let's look at the price of XRP today. Right now, XRP sits at about $1.01, and the day has been variable between 98 cents and about $1.04. Remember that all this content is not legal or financial advice, and that you always have to do your own research before investing. If you enjoy this type of content, please click that like and subscribe button so that we can continue to create exciting videos for you. With that, let's get into it. Before we are able to give a timeline of when you need to sell your cryptocurrency in order to make the most amount of profit, we have to understand the difference between your cryptocurrency today and normal money that you've been dealing with for decades. Now, money in itself is not an investment. In fact, cash is meant to be parked. In other words, when you have cash, you're only using it to be able to buy a product, and instantly, cash does not grow in value. In fact, it deteriorates in value, and that is inflation. And what makes cryptocurrency appealing to many people is that it's a currency that gains value as time passes. Now you might ask yourself, if cryptocurrency is currency and the US dollar or the euro is currency as well, why is cryptocurrency such a great investment? And the answer to that question comes in the volatility of the cryptocurrency market and that it's in its newborn stages. In fact, if you were to look at the market capital of cryptocurrency compared to the regular currencies of many nations, you begin to see how small cryptocurrency market is comparatively. In fact, US dollar alone has $6.6 trillion only in circulation. That does not include the money in people's banks, the money that people owe for their mortgage or vehicle loans or other sources of income that are not in physical cash. That compares to only 1.5 trillion of global complete market cap of the cryptocurrency industry. Now back to our question. When do I sell my cryptocurrency? Now the time to sell your cryptocurrency is when the market of cryptocurrency has become so saturated and the market capital has grown so much that the market becomes less volatile. Let's look at it like this. Imagine this box controls all the money in the cryptocurrency industry. This box has $5. Outside the box, there is somebody with $100. If this person comes to buy or impact this box, all they have to do is put in $5 of their $100 in order to double the market. Now remember, the next person that is coming in to impact the market won't be able to make the same impact with $5. They'll have to pay $10 now in order to double the market, and the person after that will have to pay $20. And as the number becomes higher and higher, less people are able to impact the market to a larger degree. This can come into clear vision when we look at the impact that the crypto market has had with big corporate investors and huge billionaires coming into the crypto industry. For example, Elon Musk's $1.5 billion investment into Bitcoin led to a growth of Bitcoin of about $5,000. Now imagine Bitcoin as a $10 trillion market capital similar to the US dollar. That 1 billion invested by Tesla would have only made a very small dent in the overall market capital. Similarly, moreover, as the market capital begins to grow and more corporate investors put in money in the crypto industry, we will begin to see less fluctuations as the policies of many corporations require significant research prior to the sales, as opposed to retail investors that often make purchases and sales based on emotional factors and small market impact. Therefore, simple news articles and small listings on exchanges are bound to have decreased effect on the volatility and the price change of the crypto industry tokens. You will find out that the cryptocurrency market has become the right market to sell once you see a market capital that is competitive to the current currencies globally and very low volatility, making it a very poor investment. Once the crypto market has become very low in volatility, that money becomes money that is parked, and thus money that's not going to gain you any additional value. One thing that needs to be cleared up, however, cryptocurrencies, unlike the traditional means of currency such as the US dollar or the European pound, cryptocurrencies don't lose value over time as they become rarer the more time that passes, similar to gold and other metal means of investment. And unlike traditional currencies, there isn't an infinite supply of coins or currencies, and the supply often decreases year after year. Therefore, the growth in value of every single cryptocurrency token is to continue growing as long as mankind exists if it becomes the currency of choice. However, what we are looking at here is at the value of that investment. So once you start seeing a consistent low percentage of growth within the cryptocurrency market, you know that the market has become saturated and that it is no longer an investment that's going to give you as big of a capital as other investments like the stock market or interest rates. Some may ask how long it will take for the cryptocurrency market to reach as big of a capital or market capital as traditional means of payment, and the answer to that question continues to be unknown. The cryptocurrency market as a whole has taken humanity by surprise, and over the last 5 years, we have seen growth rates unlike ever before. In fact, the growth rate has been growing exponentially in itself. And now more than ever, there are very large corporate investors, many central banks globally, and many governments discussing the incorporation of a digital token or digital cryptocurrency into their own economic system, legislation globally has been diverted and focused on the management of cryptocurrencies, which makes for an incoming wave of cryptocurrency means of payment, particularly across the online sector, which has been growing at rates never before, particularly with the pandemic and the increased use of online modes of payment and online modes of purchase. Companies like Amazon, Walmart Online, and other non-traditional shopping areas have become a norm, and thus shifting the focus to the non-traditional online payment system which the cryptocurrency industry solves and masters and has been mastering over the last years. So, to leave you with a summary of what we've discussed, when do we sell our cryptocurrencies? We sell our cryptocurrencies when the market has become so large that major impact is unlikely, even by billionaires, and it becomes a place to park the money, and the investment of cryptocurrency becomes unworthy compared to other means of investment. I hope you guys enjoyed and benefited from this video. If you did, please click that like and subscribe button and let us know when you think is a good time to sell your cryptocurrency. With that, we leave you and see you in the next video.